Hi there, this is our Scott 6266 by 3 metres, very popular lathes, reasonably heavy duty, gap bed. This one's got some good features on it. It's got the digital readout, quick change tool post, it's got the rapids to the carriage, tapered turning attachment, 2-piece tailstock, etc. This one's in good working order, ticks over nicely. So you'll see in the photos, the back, it's got a splash guard there, main isolating switch. This has got the big 105 spindle bore. It's got the e-stop button with a key lock out there, that digital readout, the chuck guard, quick change, rapids, emergency foot brake. So we'll start at this end with the tail stock. That lock feels good. It's 2 speeds, so that's fast and slow, and that lock feels good and feels okay inside there. The carriage itself feels nice to move. It locks out when you use the rapid. The compound slide feels good, very little movement there. Cross slide's nice to move and very little movement there as well. It's got the wee flip up handle for when you use the rapids. The rapids itself, originally it would have had a button here on the joystick, but someone's put a button here. So that's the rapids taking the carriage that way, coming back the other way. Cross slide coming out towards you and going away. I'll bring that this way a little bit and make it easier for changing gear. So those are the rapids. It's nice to move there. I'll start it up. The digital readout works. You won't see it in this light. You can either start it up from the carriage or over here. So that's the motor running. That's the coolant pump going. You probably can't hear that. I haven't put any fluid in it, but I'm assuming that that's working. I'll take you through the feed. So reverse, forward, emergency brake, so I've just got that feed shaft going there with the different speeds. And that's working nicely. So if I engage that feed there, the carriage at the moment is heading that way, feeding back towards me. That cross slide's heading away from you, and now feeding back that way. I'll get the lead screw going. So that's that lead screw there running, and it's coming towards me. If I change that direction, then it'll be feeding that way on that lead screw. So those are the feeds, etc. I'll run you through the speeds. So what do we got here? I'll put it in the lowest range, and that'll be 6. So that's 6. 8. 10. 12. I'll try and skip. Oh, that's 16. Whoops. Sorry. 16. I'll jump through to the next range. yellow. So in yellow we'll take in, say, 56. 90. To 180. Okay, we'll take you through to the top range. Go to, say, 224. Whoops. 224. No, it's still not in there. So that's 224. Whoopsie. 335. 60. Seven, 10. Oh no, I'll show you 900. 900. One more to go. Which is 1120. So that's its fastest speed. So there's its speed range, and there's probably not a lot more to demonstrate. So yeah, it has got some good features, the big 105 bore, the quick change, the digital readout, your rapids, your taper tuning and your 2-speed tail stock, and it's all set to go.